Hey there, foodies! Have you ever been knee-deep in a Netflix binge, craving something crunchy and cheesy and thought, who invented nachos? Well, grab your favorite dip because today we're diving into the delicious history of nachos and how they're made in factories. First up, the origin story. Picture this. According to the story, nachos were invented in 1943 in Piedras Negras, Mexico by Ignacio Nacho Anaya, affectionately known as Nacho. He was working at a restaurant called the Victory Club, and a group of American soldiers' wives arrived at the restaurant after closing time, and, with limited ingredients, Nacho gets creative. He improvised by cutting tortillas into triangles, frying them, and topping them with melted cheese, and he tops them with jalapenos, and voila, nachos are born. Talk about a culinary accident that changed snack history forever. This simple creation became a hit, and the dish was named nachos in honor of its inventor. Now, fast forward to today, where nachos aren't just a late-night kitchen experiment. They're mass-produced in factories to satisfy our munchies worldwide. So how do they go from raw ingredients to the crunchy, cheesy goodness we can't resist? Let's break it down. First, it starts with corn. The corn kernels are ground into masa corn dough, which is then shaped into tortillas. These tortillas are cut into triangles and fried or baked to create crispy chips. Once they're crispy and golden, it's time for the flavor magic. Next, they're sent to a seasoning station. Picture a giant popcorn machine, but instead of butter, it's a shower of cheesy, spicy, or even cool ranchy goodness. Those flavor wizards have it down to a science. Finally, the nachos are cooled and packaged, ready to hit your local grocery store shelves. And there you have it, folks. From Ignacio Anaya's spontaneous snack to the factory-made wonders we devour today. So next time you dig into a plate of nachos, remember to thank Nacho for his culinary genius. And maybe, just maybe, try not to finish the entire bag in one sitting. But hey, no judgment here. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you learned something new, and don't forget to subscribe for more tasty tidbits.